Welcome to this tutorial on how to automatically sync video and audio in CapCut PC. To get started, launch CapCut on your PC. In this demonstration, we have a screen recording with its internal audio and a distinct audio file that we aim to synchronize. Firstly, add the video to your project timeline, followed by placing the audio file beneath it. Then click, hold, and drag to select both the video and audio tracks. Right-click on the selected tracks and opt for Sync Video and Audio. This action will seamlessly synchronize the audio with the video. If you desire to eliminate the audio from the original video clip, simply reduce its volume entirely in the audio settings. Please note, this process works effectively when your video file contains the original audio for sensing purposes. It may not work if, for instance, you have a silent drone video and are attempting to align it with a separate audio recording. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.